47. Surah Muhammad. This is the Madani Surah and it was most probably revealed in the first year of Hijrah before the Battle of Badr. This surah has 38 verses in 4 sections. The surah talks about the real struggle that will take place between the truth and falsehood. In this struggle, the truth will be victorious and the falsehood and its votaries will be utterly defeated. The separation will take place between those who believe and those who will deny the truth. Introduction to the sections. Number 1. Those who believe in Prophet Muhammad, their sins are removed and their condition will improve. The opponents of the truth will perish. Number 2. Good news for the believers. The Prophet is asked to pray for the believers. Number 3. The weak-hearted and the blind are not able to see the truth. Number 4. The real success. Do not be intimidated, stand firm and struggle for the cause of Allah.